Welcome back, guys. And if in your mobile you are facing heating issues or hanging issues, it is lagging, it is getting slow, you are just you are just facing the unwanted ads. In that case, I am going to tell you 3 4 settings. The last setting is the most important setting. You have to go through that, and after implementing these settings, you can solve this problem may get solved. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe to this channel if you like the video. So the first setting is, go to the settings and go to the apps in any mobile, and here you see if any app is without logo, that can be a malware or virus. Just verify that app and just delete it. If you open that app without logo, then force stop and uninstall it. So this was the first thing you need to do, that application needs to be get verified by you, and after that, if you have not installed that app, please delete that app. Then the second thing, all of us is using Play Store, and in Play Store, if you are opening it, go to the top right corner, just tap on there, and here you will go to the settings, and in settings, about, and please verify that Play Protect certification, your device must be certified. If it is not certified, go to the respective customer care and get your mobile verified. This is the must thing. After that, your device is protected, it's original, and you may experience a better performance for your phone, because in that case this malwares can be stopped by the internal protection system of your mobile. So this is the second thing. And the third thing, go to the setting and go to the developer option. Developer option can be activated. I have made a video. Just go to the about phone and then go to the software information, build number 6-7 times, because I am a developer, this is coming. So in that case, just enter your pattern, and after that this option will come. Go to this option, go below, and here one setting you need to change for better performance. Here some scales are there: window animation scale, transition animation scale, animated during scales. Just change it to 0.5. So, and go below, and here another option is there. This is very important. Background process limit, just select at most one process. You standard limit may get selected by default, but change is to 1. This is how much processes can be active at the same time. So if you want to active more processes, then your mobile is very susceptible to heat. So just change that. And one more thing I want to add, just go to the setting and select game booster setting here, game booster setting, and then go to the 1 minute here, labs, and in labs, alternate game performance management. This tends to cause heating. Just turn it off and select game optimization performance. If it is on, you will see that it will not get, you cannot select it, it is inhibited. Just make it on and select to the performance mode. So you can also select the battery saver, but performance, if you want to experience the good performance during gaming, then you must select at performance mode. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. After doing this, you will experience a better performance. Thank you very much.